Cathay Pacific. Hello guys, welcome back to the CX updates here with me, Roberto Monica Ignacio, and my friend from Toronto, Canada, also Valkyrie. And today we'll be talking about a Cathay Boeing 777 ER that needs to Xiamen this morning for maintenance, and it will likely get her new titles, but I'm not sure about that. Probably should get more maintenance. She took her flight number 63820 with the great circle distance of 496 kilometers, actual flight time 1 hour and 4 minutes, and a track of 337 degrees, as you can see it here. As you see, she took her flight number 63820 and she took off at Hong Kong Airport at 4:45 in the morning at the third runway, if I'm not mistaken. They should have known that runway 7 at 5:40 in the morning Xiamen local time, and she's one of the planes that returned from Alice Springs and eventually returned to service. I remember this bird put to Alice Springs in her old livery, and I'm so happy that she's in her new livery now. So for the details of this bird, kindly check the previous video about Travelers Kilo Quebec Sierra. So that's a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below, as well as the bell icon next to it for more upcoming updates. Like this one. Or by me, Roberto Michael Ignacio, as well as my friend from Toronto, Austin Hui. Bye guys, and see you in the next update.